Now, the High Court has temporarily suspended the 2.5 billion shilling ballot papers printing tender awarded to Dubai-based firm Ghurair. Justice George Odunga gave the orders following an application by the Coalition for Reforms and Democracy. Court had moved to court under a certificate of urgency, seeking to quash a decision by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission to award the multi-billion shillings tender.
Another friends, Mr. Antonio Boch, who's here.
For the second time in just over a month, the fate of the 2.5 billion shilling ballot paper printing tender hangs in the balance. Seeking to halt the award of the tender to Ghurair of Dubai, court, through lawyer James Orengo, made an application before High Court Judge Justice George Odunga. In the application, court argues that the award of the tender does not conform to the requirements of the Election Laws Amendment Act. Orengo told the court that the amended law requires a register of voters to capture, among other things, the biometric data, including unique attributes such as fingerprints, hands, and earlobe geometry. The coalition also sought to have the IEBC compelled to retender for the supply and delivery of ballot papers for next year's general election.
I direct that there be a stay of the award of or any contract or transaction in respect of tender number IEBC/01/2016 to 2017 for the supply and delivery of ballot papers for election.
The orders by the High Court come just 3 weeks after the Public Procurement Administrative Review Board upheld a decision by the IEBC to award the tender to Ghurair of Dubai. Pearl Media of South Africa, one of the 8 bidders who lost the tender, had challenged IEBC's decision on grounds that the IEBC flouted procurement procedures, including late issuance of notification and failure to respond to the company's request for a review in good time. CORD and Jubilee were enjoined in the case as interested parties. The application by CORD will be heard on Wednesday, with the country running the risk of failing to meet timelines in its preparedness for next year's election. Rita Tinina, KTN News.